Picking up this foot, the first thing that I need to do is get these bars trimmed. So I'm gonna come in with my nippers and just take these bars down. In the summer, I am often using my nippers for the bars. In the winter, I use more like a hoof knife or my bonsai nippers. I'm also gonna take the tip of this frog there because it's extending over where the true tip of the frog is. Just gonna get these down a little more. Open up the central sulcus here just a little bit. Clean up the collateral grooves. I don't want to do a ton to this frog right now. See, there's a little lump there. I'm going to come in with my bonsai nipper just for a little more precise action. Stop and check my balance. Easy. Just take a little bit on these heels. This heel is a little bit higher. Probably just take this one down with the rasp. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna come across here, even this, and I'm just gonna take a few swipes, expose where the white line is and everything. Now I'm gonna come in with my nippers right into that water line or the inner hoof wall. I'm rough doing my bevel with my nippers from 10 to 2. 10 to 2. This is the most important area for your bevel and musting roll and where it should be the strongest. Ooh. And check my balance again. Now I'm just coming on with my rasp and just going over what I did with my nippers. I'm not really taking any more height off the hoof wall. I checked it, it's even. I'm just doing this bevel and beveling the quarters. I'm going to pull her foot forward. Just push this toe back a little bit more from the outside. This horse has this old injury that it causes the hoof horn to grow out just a little funny there, but you just trim around it, just trim it just like normal. And this hoof is all done.